Hello and welcome to you all once again in a Learn More YouTube channel. Today again I am here with one topic which is about the difference between ROM and RAM. Altogether I have made here 5 difference between ROM and RAM. Let's discuss one by one difference among ROM and RAM. The first one, you can see the first number point. ROM stands for read-only memory. The red highlighted text I am marking here. ROM stands for read-only memory. As you all know that the full form of ROM is read-only memory. And the next, the RAM, it stands for random access memory. Now in second number point, I'm gonna discuss about why ROM is called read-only memory, and in the same way in RAM side also I'm gonna discuss why RAM is called random access memory. Okay, at first ROM, it is called read-only memory because information can be read from it. We can read information from it, but we cannot write on it. Means we cannot change the information on ROM. Just we can read from it. We cannot write and change information on ROM. Now in the same way, RAM, it is also called read and write memory. Why it is called read and write memory? Because information can be read from it and written on it. We can read the information from RAM as well as we can write on it. RAM store data and program temporary which are currently being used. It means RAM store program temporarily which are currently being used. This is the second difference between ROM and RAM. Hope you understood. One thing you have to remember is that ROM stands for read-only memory, in which we can read the data from it, but we cannot write in a ROM. But in the case of RAM, RAM is also called read and write memory. Why? Because information can be read from it and can be written on it as well. So it is also called a read and write memory. Okay, now third number difference, you can see the information stored in a ROM does not get lost even if the power supply goes off. So it is called non-volatile or permanent memory. It means ROM is permanent memory. Whatever data and information is stored in ROM does not get lost even the power supply goes off. But in the case of RAM, all the content of RAM get erased or disappear when you switch off the computer. So it is called volatile or temporary memory. So RAM is called temporary memory. Why? Because all the content of RAM get erased when we switch off the computer. That is the third difference, third important difference. RAM is temporary memory, ROM is permanent memory. Why ROM is called permanent memory? Because the information stored in ROM never get disappeared even power supply is off. But the content of RAM get disappear or erased when computer is switched off. And next thing, fourth number difference, you can see there are three types of ROM. They are PROM, which stands for programmable read-only memory. And next one is EPROM, which means erasable programmable read-only memory. And next one is EEPROM, which stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. And in the context of RAM, there are two types of RAM. They are SRAM and DRAM. SRAM stands for static random access memory DRAM stands for dynamic random access memory. And you can see the fifth number difference, the figure. As you can see in the figure, left hand side you can see ROM and right hand side you can see RAM. ROM, they are inbuilt memory. It means they are attached with motherboard while developing it. But ROM is not, but RAM is not inbuilt memory. So these are the altogether 5 difference between ROM and RAM. Hope you understood the difference between ROM and RAM. Please, if you are new in this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel for all the updates. Thank you very much.